Being a part of a family business is no mean feat. Ask me about it. According to a survey done by Price Waterhouse, out of every 100 family businesses that are set up in India, not more than 16% actually reach the fourth generation. That's because less than 20% actually have a succession plan in place. And this is just one of the problems that is plaguing the family business setup in India. There is something unique that transcends these kinds of businesses in India, and that is the family aspect of the business. There are legacies that are being built in every nook and corner of this huge country, contributing an amazing 70% to the GDP. But if you were to calculate the pace at which these businesses are growing versus the pace of the industry, that number would only be in single digits. Clacka is the solution to all the problems for family businesses in India. So if you are a 20 to 29-year-old intending to join your family business, or a 30 to 45-year-old who's already joined your family business, this is the kind of platform you need to grow your business with learning as well as implementation. I too come from a family business background. I am a third generation entrepreneur, and I know when I initially joined the business, I had no one to go to discuss my dreams, my ideas, my new ways of working. I had so many questions and nobody to help me out with them. How do I deal with the person who's been around for 30 years and ask him to work according to me? How do I tell my dad, my uncle, my cousins about letting go of few things to systems and other people in the team? Learn how to delegate. How do I present my new ideas, my new ways of working and new people who bring so much more to the table? How do I make a brand of my business and move away from being a Lala company? Clacka is that place which has answers to all of this. Clacka is my gift to all such family business owners. Clacka stands for Collaborative Learning and Customized Application. It is not a course, it is not a program. Clacka is a movement for all new business successors who carry the burden of the legacy of age-old practices, people who are refusing to change, lack of systems and processes in businesses, and capital that is just known to the owner. Knowledge without implementation is useless, and implementation without knowledge is dangerous. Clacka combines the enthusiasm of collaborative learning as a group as well as the rigor of application of what you have learned to implement it in your business. Basically, the best of both worlds, collaborative learning and customized application. So now you know why Clacka is like no other. Our collaborative learning is not just about 4 C's and 5 P's and just different management jargons. It is through classroom learning along with various business owners from diverse industries. Learning here is not through books or theories. It is through studying real life and practical business problems and trying to solve them. And the best thing about Clacka, we don't just stop at learning, because we know as a business owner, you need much more, which is why we work with you and your teams to implement whatever we have learned in your business, to strengthen the foundation and enable you to take your business to the next level with customized application. Take this chance, become a part of this movement, this belief where you can grow yourself and your business through others and with others. Make the most of this opportunity because the world is changing at a pace faster than you and me can ever imagine. And you don't want to be left behind. Come, be a part of the Clacka tribe.